On the 10th day of Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial, former Land Bank branch managers testified that multi-million peso cash withdrawals made by the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Education were highly unusual, focusing on the Article 1 misuse of confidential funds complaint. Bernard Ferrer tells us more details in this report.
Unusual po ito.
This was how former Land Bank Show Boulevard Branch Department Manager Violeta Constantino described the four separate encashments for 125 billion pesos checks by the Office of the Vice President or OVP during the impeachment court hearing on Article 1 of the Articles of Impeachment or Misuse of Confidential Funds. The prosecution presented Constantino as the bank officer who processed the four checks for Gina Acosta, the OVP Special Disbursing Officer. The checks were in cash on December 20, 2022, February 6, 2023, April 25, 2023, and July 14, 2023. Due to the large amount involved, the cash was released by the teller inside a back room.
Nirelease na po ni teller yung cash kay Miss Gina in packs po siya worth 1 million each po.
Okay, so maalala po ba ninyo kung ilang packs po ang nirelease kay Miss Gina Acosta?
Bali 125 packs po yun.
125 packs. Okay. Now, pagkatapos pong i-release itong pera in packs, in 125 packs, ano na po ang susunod na mangyayari?
Bali nilalagay na po nila yon sa dala po nilang bags.
Okay. Ngayon, meron po kayong binanggit na bag. Madam Witness, anong klaseng bag ang pinaglagyan ng pera kung maalala po ninyo?
Sa pagkaalala ko po, isang mahabang malaking bag po siya. Para pong gym bag.
According to Constantino, the cash was placed in 3 to 4 bags during this transaction. During his interpellations, under Judge Erwin Tulfo asked Constantino why she did not inquire about the purpose of the withdrawal despite describing the 125 million pesos encashments as unusual.
Kasi po may advice naman po siya. So, kumbaga dumaan naman po ito sa proseso nila.
Alam niyo po ba na ito ay for intelligence fund, yung winning withdraw?
Hindi po.
Hindi niyo po alam na Intel fund ito.
Opo.
Pero nagduda po kayo sa ganitong kalaking halaga. Is that correct?
Sa personal opinion namin sa bangko, parang syempre po, saan kaya gagamitin po yung cash na to? So, pero hindi naman po namin tinanong na.
Constantino testified that while the Land Bank Show Boulevard branch also serves other government agencies, none had withdrawn amounts as large as those of the OVP because government transactions had already shifted to online transaction. She added that the branch typical cash transaction is only around 500,000 pesos. Senator Judge Rizzo Ontiveros also asked whether in Constantino's 32 years with Land Bank, she had ever processed a cash withdrawals as large as 125 million pesos in cash by the OVP.
First time po.
Sabi nyo nga kanina, unusual yung amount. First time may ganyang amount na 125 million pesos. Bakit nyo sinabing unusual? Ano yung floor nyo para sabihing unusual yung isang amount?
Usually po kasi kaya naging unusual para sa akin kasi cash po siyang kinukuha. Sa other, naman po is, kumbaga nag-issue po sila ng mga cheque sa yung disbursement po nila by checks po, hindi po cash.
Okay. So hindi lang yung laki nung halaga na 125 million ang unusual din na yung ganyang unusual amount ay sa cash kinuha at hindi sa mga cheque.
Opo.
Also taking the witness stand was Anita Camposano, former branch manager of the Land Bank Debit Branch. Camposano testified that she processed 3 checks worth 37.5 million pesos, each for Edward Fajardo, the Special Disbursing Officer of the Department of Education or DepEd. Fajardo personally encashed the checks on February 22, 2023, April 26, 2023, and July 13, 2023. Senator Judge Francis Kiko Pangilinan then asked whether DepEd's 3 separate encashments of 37.5 million pesos could be considered usual or unusual.
With Land Bank DepEd po, for government agencies, unusual po ang amount ng pag-withdraw.
Ano ang usual na masasabing transaksyon for government agencies?
For DepEd, sir?
Yes.
For DepEd, parang nagre-range lang ng mga nasa... I'm not sure masyado, sir, pero parang mga 10, mga nasa ganoon lamang.
10 million cash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yung 37 is almost 4 times more than the usual.
Yes, sir.
The defense panel's cross-examination of Camposano was brief. The impeachment trial will resume next week on August 3. Bernard Ferrer for The Nation.